Hey, what's up guys, it's Ray from RHRSwag showing you how to install these beautiful CalTrend Diamond Quilted seat covers on our 2018 Ford F-150. We're installing these on both the front and the rear seats. So what's included is 3 front seat covers including an opening console / spare seat cover and 3 rear seat covers. If you're only wanting to know how to install the front seat covers, you can skip to this timestamp. If not, you can continue watching the video. Now let's get started on installing the rear seat covers. First up, we're going to want to remove the headrest. Press the buttons on each side of your headrest base to release the headrests, and then remove the 3 headrests from the seats. Unlatch the backrest of your rear seats so that they can fold down. You can do this by pulling on the strap that's on the back side of your seat, just like so. Now it's time to get started on installing the backrest seat cover. Grab your double seat backrest cover and place upside down on your seat cushion. Unclip all the straps so it's ready to install. Tuck the bottom of your seat cover under your backrest, sending the buckles to the back. Raise your seat cover up against the backrest, fitting the seats. Remember not to place the seat cover over the seat belts. This is important if you want seat belts in your vehicle. Pull the side and top straps to the back of the seat. Connect the 4 top straps to the 4 bottom buckles. Pull until snug. Connect the 2 side straps to the 2 opposite side buckles and pull until snug. Make sure you do this under your seatbelt strap. Adjust your seat cover until it fits perfectly if you need to. Pull the 4 headrest bases through the cutout slots in the seat covers. Now let's install the headrest covers. Unvelcro the headrest cover and slide headrest into the cover. Velcro back up tight. Repeat the steps on the other headrest. And let's place the 2 headrests back into place. Now let's install the cushion cover. Place the cushion seat cover on the cushion and unbuckle all the straps. Flip the cushion over and tuck the top flap with the straps through the seat, sending the straps to the back of the seat. Pull the cover until it fits the seat cushion perfectly. Attach the 4 top straps to the 4 bottom buckles. Pull until snug. Attach the one side strap to the one side buckle and pull until snug. Pull the 2 side velcros super snug and attach to the bottom of the seat. Adjust if needed. Your double back seat covers are done. You just have one more rear seat cover to go. And installing the backrest, you just want to do the same thing you did before, just with 2 less straps and buckles. So instead of 4 straps and buckles, there is only 2. Install the headrest cover the same as before as well. Popping it back into place. Install the cushion seat cover the same as before, just with 2 less straps again. And just like that, you finish installing the rear CalTrend Diamond Quilted seat covers. Go you! Now it's time to get started on the front seat covers. Remove the driver's side headrest by pushing on the buttons on the base of the headrest so it releases and you can pull upwards. Grab your backrest cover and slide it over the seat. Tuck the bottom flap through the seat, sliding the excess to the back. Now this is a little hard to see because we cannot record underneath the seat, but hook the 2 S-hooks on the back of the seat cover underneath the seat itself onto the front flap you just tucked in. I hope that makes sense. Velcro the back of the seat cover shut. It should look like this when you're all done Velcroing it up. Unvelcro the headrest cover and slide the headrest in. Velcro it back up and reinstall on the seat. Let's get started on the cushion cover. Unbuckle all the cushion straps. Flip it over and slide rear straps through the seat to the back. Tuck the side strap underneath the seat. As you can see here, there is a small hole on the side of the seat where you can easily slide the strap through. Connect the 2 rear straps to the 2 front buckles and pull until snug. Again, it's really hard to see because we cannot record underneath the seat, but I hope you can figure it out. Connect the side strap to the side buckle and pull until snug underneath the seat. Now let's install the middle backrest / open console. Slide the middle backrest cover over the seat. Push the headrest flap underneath the headrest. Zip the sides shut that are located on the shoulders of the seat. Now push the bottom flap through the seat to the back. Fold the seat down so it turns into a console. Slide the center console lid cover onto the console lid and Velcro it shut. Adjust if needed. Let's install the middle cushion cover. Unvelcro the cushion seat cover and slide onto cushion. Velcro 2 front and 2 side straps underneath the seat cushion. Push back flap through the seat to the back and Velcro tight underneath the seat. Velcro the 2 remaining side straps underneath the seat. Make sure everything is snug. Slide the headrest cover over the headrest, sliding the X's through the bottom of the headrest. You're going to need some small fingers for this because it is a tight squeeze. And then Velcro it shut. Kenny had to sit back and take a breather after that, after crushing his fingers in the seat. But onto the passenger side. Remove the passenger headrest just like you did on the driver's side. Install the backrest cover just like you did on the driver's side as well. Install the headrest cover just like before and reinstall it on the seat. Install the cushion just like you did on the driver's side again. So basically the driver's side and the passenger side seat covers install the exact same way. And just like that, you installed the front row of the CalTrend Diamond Quilted seat covers, and maybe even the back row as well. These CalTrend seat covers are custom fit and tailored to your vehicle seats for a beautiful, tight finish. They are UV resistant and high abrasion resistant as well, with a wide variety of colors to match your style. You can learn more at RHRSwag.com.